Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Microsoft Planner. This is a great way to personalize your workspace and make your plans more visually appealing and easier to identify at a glance. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Planner. To do this, open a browser window and in the address bar type planner.cloud.microsoft. Hit enter and this will take you directly to the Microsoft Planner login page. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Go ahead and log in with your username and password. This step ensures you have access to all your existing plans and can make the changes you need. Once you've successfully signed in, give it a moment for your planner to fully load. You'll see your workspace appear with all your plans and tasks laid out. Now, to change the Microsoft Planner background, you'll need to select the specific plan you want to customize. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on My Plans. This will display a list of all the plans you've created or have access to. Browse through and select the one you wish to update. Clicking on it will take you directly to that plan's overview page. Now that you're on the plan overview page, focus your attention on the top part of your screen. You'll see the plan name displayed there. Click on the plan name drop-down arrow right next to it. This will reveal several options in a drop-down menu. From these options, click on Plan Details. When you do this, a right side menu will slide open, giving you access to various customization settings for your plan. This is where the magic happens. In the right side menu that just appeared, you'll see a section dedicated to suggested backgrounds. This is where Microsoft Planner offers you a variety of pre-designed background templates to choose from. Browse through the available options and simply click on any background template that catches your eye or fits the theme of your plan. The moment you select one, it will immediately change your Microsoft Planner background, giving your workspace a fresh new look. You can experiment with different backgrounds until you find one that perfectly suits your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background in Microsoft Planner. This simple customization can make your plans more visually distinct and enjoyable to work with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.